I just bought a pair of the Apple Earpods 4th generation, and I thought it would be really interesting to compare them with the Apple Earpods 2nd gen and with the original wired Apple Earpods. So we're going to look at the unboxing, and then we're going to compare the voice output on all three pairs. We're looking at Apple Earbuds 4. Okay, you get your Apple endorsements, warranties, controls. Here are the earbuds. Oh, they look quite a bit different than the other ones. The cases are different. And of course, this has the Lightning, and this has the USB-C. I would say there's quite a difference. We're going to see how well they pair with an iPhone. I'm going to go to Bluetooth. Okay, I'm going to open my case. Okay, and you see them right there. They paired right away. Connect. Okay, and they give you instructions. Okay, and let me take them out of the case. Respond to Siri by moving your head. Improved voice quality. Continue. Control your earbuds by moving your head. I don't think that's going to be a good thing. Okay, and I'm going to put them in. Okay, we're all set here. Now let's see how they sound. Right now, I'm doing a voiceover with the Apple Earpods 4th generation. We'll see if we can tell the difference from the Apple Earpods 2nd generation. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're listening to the Apple Earbuds 2nd generation. See if there's any difference. I do a lot of voiceovers on the fly, and when I do, I like to use the earbuds. Typically, the wired earbuds sound a whole lot better than the Bluetooth earbuds. We'll see on this demo which one sounds better. Now we're listening to the original Apple Earpods. These are the wired earpods. These tend to come out really good when I do voiceovers. Just a matter of using a little EQ, and my voice sounds like I used a $300 microphone. I did think the Apple Earpod 4th gen was quite a bit better than the Apple Earpod 2nd gen. I found the Gen 4 AirPods sounded great. They really sounded good playing music through them. They were really comfortable and they were secure. It was really easy to forget that they were in my ears. I did feel that the wired earbuds give you the best microphone when you're speaking. All in all, I would skip the Gen 2 if you don't have any Apple AirPods or earbuds. If you do voiceovers a lot, I would get the wired earpods. If you like to listen to music, I would definitely get the Gen 4 AirPods. That's what I have for this week. Take care, have a great day, and I will see you next week.